Hello everybody, just want to jump on here for a little bit tonight and talk about what I'm looking at this week. I'm going to try to put some stocks in your mind to be looking at. If you don't know how to invest into the stock market, that's something that I'm trying to help people do. You've got multiple platforms that you could use. Robinhood is probably the most user-friendly app. Moo is giving 8.1% right now with qualifying deposits on uninvested cash. That means if you don't invest into anything, you just use it as a savings account, that's something maybe you should look into. But the stocks that I'm looking at this week is definitely going to be Tesla, AMD, and NVDA. I want to make this clear. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice. Do your own due diligence. Do your own homework. I'm just on here trying to help the stocks and that I'm looking at. I want you to know what I'm looking at. Tesla is in a very, very, very bullish breakout pattern. It's breaking out of 350. It's at 353 as we speak, 354 or somewhere around there. Looking at the charts, you know, when I started this over 5 years ago, I didn't really treat the market the way it should be. I did a lot of stupid things, but I want to try to help you all not do that. So this week, I do believe we could probably see Tesla breaking past 360 and going to 370. If you look at the charts, 370 is going to be a heavy resistance point. So I look for Tesla to run to 370. There may be a little bit of an accumulation stage there to where that it could come back down a little bit, bust through 370, fall back down and make a support, and then we're heading to 400. That's my outlook on Tesla for this year. I really believe that we could probably see that. So how do you prepare for that? Some of the ways that I would encourage you to buy stock, simply just buy the stock. I believe in 2 to 3 years, Tesla is going to be, $1,200 to $1,500 a share. It's sitting at 350 right now. So you do the math, you're going to make good returns on it. The way that I trade is in stock options. So I usually buy leaps, which pertain to buying calls 3 to 6 months out, and that's how I'm trade stocks. That's how I make my money. So that's a stock that you need to have on your radar. Tesla. The next stock I want to talk about is NVDA. NVDA is one of the top leading stocks. 5 years ago when I got into the market, I wish that's what I bought. I wish I just bought stock in NVDA, because I would have 20 times my money. NVIDIA has been a game changer for a lot of people. I still believe it's leading the chip race. So I'm buying NVIDIA. I want you to know that I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you what I'm doing. NVIDIA is at a really good support level right now, around the 160, 165 level. So I'm adding into NVIDIA. That's what I'm doing. The next stock I want to talk about is AMD. AMD is NVIDIA's competitor, but they run together. A lot of times when NVIDIA's doing good, AMD's doing good. AMD is at a beautiful support at 150. A lot of buying has came in there in the charts. The money's in the charts. That's where it's at. So I'm buying AMD at 150. I'm definitely buying AMD at 150. So that's the 3 stocks that I'm looking at this week. SOFI would be another stock I would put on your radar. SOFI is caught a lot of momentum here lately. I've been trading SOFI for a long time. A year ago it was at $6. It's sitting at 26 right now. SOFI is a stock that could change your financial life. I truly believe in 5 years you're probably looking at a $100 stock plus, maybe a $200 stock. So at $25, $26, $30, SOFI is a good one to buy into. I'm trying to get on here and give content to people to help people. So I've got a Discord that I'm trying to get up and running. Just as soon as I do, I'm going to be posting a link to it. You all be keeping your eyes open this week. There's many plays out there. There's a bull market everywhere. So those stocks, Tesla, NVDA, AMD, SOFI, keep them on your radar. I'm not telling you to buy them. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Just remember, this ain't financial advice. You all have a good week, and God bless.